So hello students, we have started a chapter that is linear equation in one variable of class 8. Yesterday we have learned how to find solutions of an equation if the variable is present only on one side. For example, suppose if it is given that 2x plus 5 equals to 3. Now in this example, a variable is present only on one side, that is left hand side. Okay, this side is known as left hand side, this side is known as RHS, that is right hand side. Okay, they are separated by which sign? Equal to sign. So yesterday we have learned if a variable is present only on one side, how to solve it. Now today we are going to learn next topic, that is solving equations having variable on both the sides. Okay, so let us start with it. So our first example is, we have 3x minus 7 equals to x plus 5. Okay, so solution given 3x minus 7 equals to x plus 5. Therefore, now what we have to do, first step is that we will bring the variables on the same side, and at the same time we will bring the numbers on the other side. Okay, for that, now here it is plus x, if we bring it on this side, left hand side, it will become minus x. So what you will get, 3x minus x. Okay, now we will bring this number on RHS. So what you will get, equals to, first you have to write the number which is already present, that is 5. Now this minus 7, if you are changing its side, it will become plus 7. Okay, now next step, now it can be seen that these both are like terms. Okay, so we have learned that we can add or subtract the like terms. Okay, so 3x minus x, it will become 2x equals to, and 5 plus 7, that is 12. Therefore you will get, now what we have to do, we don't want any number with x. So right now 2 is present with x. If no sign is there, we consider that they are multiplying each other. Now if we change the side of this 2, it will divide. So what you will get, x equals to 12 upon 2. Therefore x equals to 6 is our solution of the given equation. Okay, now let us solve one more example. Next example, now in this example we have 3x plus 1 upon 2 equals to 3 upon 8 plus x. Now here what we have to do, again same condition, x term is present on LHS also and on RHS. So we will bring these terms on same side and we will move these numbers on the other side. Solution, can directly write it here or given. Now I am directly bringing this x on left hand side. Okay, so what can we do, it will become minus x equals to, already 3 upon 8 is written here, so I will write here 3 upon 8. Now this plus 1 upon 2, if we are changing its side, it will become minus 1 upon 2. So what you will get now, 3x minus x, it will become 2x. Okay, equals to, now on the RHS side, it is better if you are able to find the LCM of these two numbers, it will be easy. Small numbers are there, so we can do cross multiplication also. So right now we will solve it by cross multiplication method. Okay, so 2 into 3, that is 6. I am writing here 3 into 2 minus this 8 will multiply here, so you will get 8 into 1 divided by, this both will multiply with each other. Okay, so 8 2s are 16. Okay, wait, let me write it as 8 into 2. Now next step you will get, therefore 2x equals to, now 3 2s are, so that is 6 minus 8 1s are 8 upon 8 2s are 16. Okay, so therefore now what you will get, 2x equals to, now these both are having opposite signs, so we have to do that subtraction. So 8 minus 6, that is 2 upon 16. Sign of greater number is minus, we will write here minus. Okay, therefore now we can do one thing, either you can write this one to the lowest form and then change the side of this 2, or directly here also we can change the side of 2. So right now I am changing the side of this 2. It can be written as, now 2 is multiplying 2x, if you are changing its side it will divide. So what you will get, x equals to this minus 2 as it is upon the 16 was already present here. Now from this side 2 will come and divide over here, so you will get 16 into 2. Therefore x equals to, now this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 ones are, so what you will get now in numerator, you will get minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 upon 16 ones are, so that is 16. So what is the solution of the equation? So solution is x equals to 16 is our answer. Okay, now let us look at next example. Now suppose we have our third example in this way. Now here it can be seen that how many terms are there on LHS. So this is first term, this is second term, both the terms are having variable, that is m, and on RHS also we have a one term which also consists of a variable m. So our first step is that whichever terms are there with variable m, we will bring that all terms on same side. Already these two are on LHS, we will bring this one also to LHS. Okay, so what you will get, solution, now m minus 1 upon 2 as it is, then this minus, so we will write here minus, the next m minus 2 we have to copy over here, m minus 2 upon 3. Now this full term, what is the sign before this full term? No sign is there, means this full term is having positive sign. If we change its side, it will become negative and the term as it is. Now if all the terms came on LHS, so nothing is remaining on RHS, so we will write here 0. Okay, now during such condition, now here 3 terms are there, so we cannot do direct cross multiplication. Instead of that, we will prefer here LCM. Okay, now we have to find what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 7. So I am directly writing here LCM of 2, 3 and 7 is equal to 42. Okay, now what we have to do, we will make this each of this denominator as 42. Okay, so now solution, now here it is 2, how to make this 2 as a 42? We have to multiply it by 21, so numerator will also be multiplied by 21. So what you will get, therefore 21 into m minus 1 upon 2 into 21 minus, now here we have 3. Okay, so let me write it as it is, m minus 2 I am writing it here, and divided by 3. Now 3 into what will give you 42? So 3 into 14 will give you 42. So by same number we have to multiply the numerator also. Okay, then again we have minus. Now next we have m minus 4 upon 7 equals to 0. Now we want to convert this number also as a 42. So we know that 7 6 are 42, so the numerator will also be multiplied by 6. Okay, so now therefore, now what we have to do, we have to multiply each of this number inside. Okay, but before that, now remember that we have to multiply them with their sign. Just like 21, no sign is there, means it is plus. What is the sign for 14? So it is minus. Okay, for 6 it is minus. Okay, so what you will get, you will get now 21 into m, so it will be 21m. then plus into minus, it will become minus 21 into 1, 21. Okay, let me write this one in more detail. Okay, we can write it as 21 into m, then this 21 will multiply to this minus 1, so you will get plus 21 into minus 1. Okay, then now this minus 14 will multiply to m, so what you will get, minus 14 into m. Okay, this becomes more complicated, so let us try to make it a little bit simple by adding one more step. So you will get 21 in bracket m minus 1 upon 42 minus 14m minus 2 upon 42 minus 6 in bracket m minus 4 upon 42 equals to 0. Now since each one of them is having same denominator, we can write these numerators together. Now it will be easy for us to write. Okay, so what you will get, therefore now this 21 into m will become 21m, 21 into m, then plus 21 into minus 1, then minus 14 will multiply first to m. Okay, then what you will get, this minus 14 will multiply to minus 2, then this minus 6 will multiply to m, and then this minus 6 will multiply to minus 4. So let me equals to 0, and each one of them, this total denominator will be how much? It will be 42. Okay, so now on next step you will get, therefore now we have to multiply one by one. So before that I am making the pairs. What you have to multiply, this, now it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, now 21 into m, so it will become 21m, then plus into minus will become minus 21 into 1 will become 21, then again minus into plus will become minus 14 into m will become 14m, then again minus into minus will become plus, and 14 into 2 will become 28. Okay, then minus into plus will become minus, 6 into m, that is 6m, again minus into minus will become plus, and 6 4s are 24. Okay, now this total divided by 42 equals to 0. Now what we will do, we will change the side of this 42. Now here it is dividing, if it goes on the other side it will multiply. By that time on left hand side we can bring the terms with m together. Okay, so what you will get, 21m, then next we have minus 14m, then next we have minus 6m, then we have minus 21, then plus 28, and then plus 24 equals to, now we will change the side of this 42, so you will get 0 into 42. Okay, therefore now remember that these all are like terms, these are like terms, so we can add or subtract the like terms. Okay, so now if we do addition and subtraction of this one, you will get 1m. Now this you will get it as plus 7 Now okay, let me write it stepwise so it will be easy for you to understand. Let us make it in pair. Okay, so you will get it as 21m minus 20m. okay, this if we are solving first, it will become plus 7, so you will get plus 7 plus 24 equals to 0 into 42 will become 0. So now we are going to solve this one, this pair and this pair. So what you will get now, 21m minus 20m, that will be simply 1m. okay, now 7 plus 24, so it is 31 equals to 0. Now what is the condition? We want the variable alone on left hand side, so what you will get, therefore m equals to, if this 31 goes on left hand side, it will become 0 minus 31, therefore m equals to minus 31 is our final answer. Okay, so this much is enough for today.